you guys, it's Angela Angie here, and how are you guys doing? Hopefully awesome. Today I'm going to be telling y'all about my first Yoni steam experience. But first, let me give a little warning. If you're someone who doesn't like talking about private parts, Yoni meaning the vagina, if that's not your thing, if you're not really open to that type of stuff, that's what this video is about. So I would advise you to click off at this point right now. But everybody else who's interested in this, let's go ahead and get into it. So okay, y'all, so yes, I'm talking to y'all about my first Yoni steam. It's been something I've been wanting to try for a while, and I finally got around to doing it. The reason why I started looking into Yoni steams and stuff like that, I did suffer with very bad menstrual cycles. My period was really heavy, and I had to schedule my things around my period. And I made a video on how I overcame that. I started using red raspberry leaf tea, and that was the only thing that helped my period. It made it lighter, it made me stop cramping. Like, it was like wonderful, along with 2 other items that I used. So if you're interested in that video, I have all of that stuff listed in the box down below. But yeah, the reason why I was into the Yoni steams because I know the power of herbs, because it helped me once before. So much that I had got a big old huge bag. Like, I use this a week before my period and everything. Like I said, all the details is in that video if you're interested. So with me knowing the power of herbs and what they can do, when I heard about the Yoni steam, I definitely wanted to, you know, give that a try too, to just, you know, enhance things even more. Not only that, I also wanted to do it on a spiritual level. I kind of wanted to cleanse myself of different energies that, you know, I came in contact with in the past. So I kind of wanted it to be like a spiritual thing too. So once I decided to go ahead and do it, I started looking up on different Yoni steams and see who sold them and stuff, because I wanted to get the best one. And I came across a lady called Mama Earth Medicine, and I looked at her video and I was convinced I had to get her. So I put in my order to get a pack of her Yoni steam blend, and I think it came back within like a week. It didn't take long at all, and so I was very happy about that. So this is the little package. I know it's gonna be light, so y'all know I always pop a picture up on the side. This is the package that it came in. I was so excited, y'all, when I got this in the mail. I was so happy. And it's organic, it's vegan, and it's non-GMO. So I was very excited about that because I am a fan of organic herbs. I seen another one on Amazon that I had ordered too before I had got this one, but I haven't used that one because I feel more comfortable with using this one besides the other one, because, you know, with these being organic. And then one of the organic herbs that was in here is the raspberry leaf herb, and like I told y'all, I know that works wonders for, you know, menstruals and everything. So all right, you guys, so I'm gonna read off some of the benefits that this Yoni steam does. It prevents and eases menstrual cramps, helps regulate your menstrual cycle, which was awesome to me. It speeds healing and toning after birth. It relieves urinary tract infections, eases menopause symptoms, relieves vaginal dryness, relieves stress, and it releases stored emotions, which is, I'll get into that in a minute, and it releases energetic traumas. The instructions are: boil 3 to 4 cups of water. Once the water reaches boiling point, remove heat and add 1/6 cup of herbs. Let the water cool enough so that the steam is a comfortable temperature before squatting or sitting over the pot. Squat or sit over the pot of herbs for 10 to 15 minutes, allowing steam to enter the vaginal canal. So I followed those instructions, did everything to the T. I went and got me a separate pot from, you know, what I cook with and everything. I got my separate pot, boiled my water, put my herbs in. After the herbs got to boiling a little bit, poured it in my pot. And I kind of set the mood for everything too. I went and I got candles. I had my little relaxing music on. I had incense playing because I wanted the full experience. I got my little blanket because, you know, you want to kind of keep the steam kind of in, you know, so it won't, I guess, just go out everywhere. It can kind of be focused on that area. I cut my phone off. I put it to where, you know, I couldn't be disturbed. Like everything, I called everybody's like, hey, don't disturb me, I'm getting ready to steam, I'm trying to have this experience or whatever. So everybody was pretty good at not interrupting me. While I was having this, I'm gonna just call it a magical experience. So I made sure that the water was a temperature that I really liked. It wasn't too hot. And so I had my music playing. Like I said, I squat down and I proceeded to go ahead and do my Yoni steam. The steam was very comfortable. It actually felt really, really, really good. And I got into like a relaxed mode, and I kind of just got comfortable, and I was like feeling good. And instantly I got chills all over my body, because that's how calming and how good I felt while I was doing this. While I was steaming, I had my little notebook right there, just in case, you know, whatever feelings came amongst me, that I could write them down and everything. And so I kind of just said, and I went into meditation mode, because like I was saying, one of the reasons why I wanted to do this, because I wanted to cleanse all past energies off of me, because I had some energies that I really didn't like and some past experiences that I didn't like. And so I took this opportunity to make it to where I could just cleanse all of this stuff and kind of, you know, get that energy off of me. While I was sitting there and I was steaming and I was meditating, I kind of just started to say like little affirmations like, I am cleansed, I'm removing all past energies off of me, you know, that type of state of mind. And I felt so good at just saying it and just feeling like my body was releasing all of that from me. The steam was making me feel good, and I say within like maybe 5 minutes in, I got so emotional, because it was just like a, you know, it was a relaxing moment, I guess. And I was just thinking about all the, you know, people in my past that, you know, that, let's be honest, that I, you know, gave my body to, or anybody who just didn't cherish, you know, me or whatever. So I just wanted to cleanse all of that past energy off of me and stop holding on to it. So it was very, very, very emotional, but it felt good at the same time, because I felt like it was just releasing some things. A lot of people don't know that, you know, when you have sex with someone, that's like an energy exchange. So, you know, sometimes, especially if they're not the best of people, or they're not like a good person, they don't have like a lot of positive things about them, sometimes that energy can jump on you. But that's a whole nother subject. But like I said, I just kind of felt good at releasing all of that. And y'all, sorry for the lighting and everything. I'm sitting in front of my window here in Texas, and it's just kind of cloudy one minute and, you know, the sun peekabooing out the next. Overall, I would say that I had a very, very positive experience with doing this. So I did it for 20 minutes. I put my little timer on or whatever. So after everything was done, I felt very refreshed. And it felt good. It felt really, really, really good. So the days that I'm gonna do my Yoni steam, I'm gonna do it a week before my period, and then a week after. I feel comfortable with doing it like that, because, you know, before your period, you want to get prepared for it, and then after, when it's leaving, you know, you have like the old blood kind of cleansing out and stuff. So just to kind of cleanse all that out and, you know, have that all together. But it was a very, very positive experience for me, and I would recommend it to anybody, especially like the people that are around me, because they're very open-minded, and they have like a, you know, a lot of people, they're like really curious to the things that I do. So they be like, oh, what you doing or whatever. So once I tell them, I know that they'll be up for it, and, you know, and everything. And I told a couple of people about it that are interested in it and everything. So all right, you guys, so I just want to give y'all my let y'all know my experience with my first Yoni cleanse. Yes, I am gonna do this every month. I love it. I'm gonna keep it up, and I'm sure that it will do wonders for my menstrual cycle too. Ever since that last video that I did about the red raspberry leaf tea, I haven't had an issue with my menstrual cycle since. So I'm very happy, and I know that this is just an added bonus to it. So yes, you guys. So all right, you guys, that's it for my video. And if you guys tried, let me know your experience too. Also, shout out to Earth Mama Medicine. I really, really enjoyed this, and I'm just grateful that, you know, this is out there for, you know, people like us to get. If y'all are interested, it's www.earthmamamedicine.com, and I'll also put the information in the box down below too, you guys. So yeah, so all right, you guys, I'll talk to you later. Bye.